Hello, welcome to Clojure Diary. So today we are going to see what's the difference between println and print. Print string. Okay, so it has been spelled as PRNSTR, right? So not PRIN, right? So we'll see like what's the difference, right? So okay, so let me have a string over here. So like def string, and then let me just put it like hello world. Okay, so you just got it. Now let me print it using println. So println. Okay, so and then let me just print a string and let me see what happens, right? So uh okay, not sure what's happening, right? Okay, yeah, fine. I didn't execute this one. Okay, right. Now, if I just if I just print it, okay, I'm just getting hello world over here. And then I'm just getting nil as output. Like, so the output of this thing is nil. So that's the thing. So if I just even put type of it, like, okay, just let me just try to put the type of this thing, and yeah, it just gives nil. So it actually returns nothing. So what println does is it just takes a string and just puts it to the output, what to say, terminal or whatever, ripple or whatever it is. It just prints it out. Okay, so that's the thing. So now let's try out this print string. Okay, so print string, and then let me just print the string and let me just see what happens, right? So look, you're just getting something over here. So like hello world, and it looks like a string. So it actually returns something. Println returns nil, as you can see it over here, but this one seems to return something else. Like it seems to return a string. So that's the thing. So it also prints something and just returns. So I think it just returns something. Okay, so that's the thing. So now let me just put type, and then let me just put like this. Okay, so and then let me just see, and look, this one returns a string. Okay, so that's the thing, right? So where this is useful, okay, so let's have some or a complex data type like a def, what to say, something like a vector, like what shall we have, like okay, India, uh, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, LNK, okay, and then uh, Bangladesh. Okay, so the countries in the Indian subcontinent, right? So that's how it is, right? And yeah, let me just give it a name like countries. Then that's the thing, and then now let me just try with println. Okay, so println, and let me just execute this one, println, and then countries. So let me make sure I execute this one. So countries gets loaded, and then println countries. So we are getting something like this. But if I try with print string, and then if I just put countries, so it this entire object gets converted into a string. And let me just wrap it so that like so look, this entire thing just gets converted to a string and all those things. So I don't know whether you have seen the previous video of mine where I put like, okay, like reading from a EDN file where we use this read, but one second, yeah. So like this is the previous, this was the code that was used in previous video. So We read something from a EDN file using the read string thing. So actually, EDN file is nothing but string, just like JSON or something like that. But this is of Clojure data type, right? So we can just read something. But whenever we just make some modification, like we are adding something over here, like we are just reading it from EDN file. So this spell numbers or EDN, it has what to say, like it has this one, like 1, 2, 3, and 4. Actually, like it had only till 3 when I did before. So this was the thing. So what happens over here is like, yeah, you just get a map of uh, 1, 2, 3. So that's the thing. And then over here we just add this has been loaded in spell numbers over here, right? And then we just add a key 4 and a string, that is the value 4, right? So and then once again we need to spit it out into spell numbers, but this is of a map type, so we need to uh, convert this into a string. So we just use this one, print string, prnstr, right? And this will convert this into a string, and then spit will just spit it into this file, right? So that's how it works. So that's the difference between print and print string. If I sorry, println and print string. If I put println over here, the output of this thing will be nil. So nil will just go into this EDN file, which is not preferable. So to convert any Clojure complex data type to string, you need to use print string, right? And this is not used to put output to the terminal or some output device or something like that. This is just used to convert an object into a string so that it can be stored in some files like EDN or something like that. So that's what it's been used for, right? So yeah, if you're a Clojure programmer, try to use EDN more than you using JSON or YAML or something like that, so that this is more associated with Clojure, right? And yeah, like I'll change the name of the program, and it should be print string prnstr, not print string prinstr. And yeah, I'll just put it in the code report. So yeah. So thanks for watching. This is the difference between println and print string, and let's meet in the next video.